We're next now going to practice finding the domain for a function given the equation for the function. Now in general we can say that the domain of a function would be any real number except for those values of x that might make the function undefined. So in our first example, f of x is equal to the absolute value of x minus 1. Hopefully it is clear that if you put any value for x into the function, subtract 1 and take the absolute value of that, that will always produce a real number. And so in this case we can say the domain would be all real numbers. And in interval notation we can express it as negative infinity to infinity. Now in the second example we have g of x being equal to x squared over 4 minus x. And with a fraction we need to be careful to be sure that the denominator can never take on the value 0, because division by 0 is undefined. Now in this case if x were 4 that would make the denominator 0, so we can say that the domain would be all values of x except for 4, so we can write then set Biddle notation instead of all x such that x then is not equal to 4, but any other value for x would be just fine.